What's up guys, my name is Miles Redcliffe. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't uploaded for quite some time due to work and so. It's been a bit of a pain in the ass. I haven't had that much time to do many videos, haven't had much time to do some recording, but I'm here now, that's what matters. But anyways, I'm here today because I just bought my brand new freaking AV rocker. I cannot wait to unbox it. I haven't had my Apex since the day I broke it. I really missed it. For the time being, I've been using this baby right here. This one is the AOB Leafwalker. It's quite a decent board for like freestyle and dance. It's quite long though, as you can see. Once again, I'm just doing a bit of custom grip art again. But it's a good board. It's not really my thing though. I find it a bit too long for me. It's more of a dancer deck than it is freestyle. But hey, it's a great deck. Yeah, this is it. Wow. I've never really bought like a deck or anything direct from Original Skateboards, because the very first Apex I bought, I got it second hand on Facebook, so it never came with this cardboard box or anything. But look how fucking awesome it is. It is just so sick, man. It's got the logo up there and everything. But anyway, let's unbox this baby because I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped. I got socks because I needed some skate socks. I was like, yeah, you know what? Let's get some skate socks. It should be good stuff. Hey. Oh wow, we got a poster along with it. That's pretty cool. I didn't order the poster. The poster must have just come free as a little thank you for ordering stuff and shizzle. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. That's really cool. That's me. Woo! Stay there. Stay. Oh my god, there's so much wrapping paper. Oh wow. Oh my lord. Look at that beauty. That is just absolutely incredible. Oh wow. You know, I really can't wait to ride this in 2018. I might ride it for a bit during my videos that I'm working on for this year. But then other than that, this is being saved. This is being saved. There is no way I am wrecking this. It's too good. Jeez, look at that fiberglass, man. See, I miss the Apex so much. So good. Oh man. Oh yeah, I was thinking of sticking my purple and blue Paris trucks on these because that look really nice. So definitely gonna do that. Alright. Oh, we got another poster. Holy shizzle. Shizzle my jizzle. Look at that. Damn. Oh shit. These posters fly off straight away. Got my stuff's down there, man. What else have we got? I can't even remember how to start rolling. Oh yeah. Oh god, now I'm scared to take this out. Alright, give me 2 seconds while I open this. So what else we got on here? Oh my lord. No way! Are these the new ones? Dude, they got new stickers already. That's so sick. These are like the new stickers because I don't even remember seeing these last time I ordered these. Got a bunch of red ones, the second ones, like that. We've got a goddamn ton of these ones down here. I've got loads more down here. You know, we got some green PK tail guards to go with my board. At the moment I've got my purple ones on there that came with the board, but oh man, green ones look really sick on there. I love like kind of like the neon flourish thing on there. It's got lit. We got 2 more posters as well. They're so nice. They've given me 4 posters in total. Like, I'm so stoked, man. It's sick. They've given me so much stuff just for ordering a bunch of goodies, which normally, you know, you would just get online. You'd have to pay for it, but jeez. Hey, that's crazy, man. anyway guys, I'll give you a quick overview of everything, I'll put it all on the floor and I'll let you view it all. So as you can see, I had a quick makeover of my room. Got it all done, posters up and everything. It's so freaking cool, man. Absolutely love it. So thank you Original Skateboards for the hookup, I really appreciate it. I'm going to hook up my Apex right now, slam on my purple and blue Paris trucks, and you guys can check it out. And I'll be skating it in future videos. So yeah, thank you Original Skateboards for the hookup. Thank you for giving me a couple of free frames along with my purchase. I really appreciate it. And yeah, thank you very much.